Outcome 7. I can define a hydrated compound, give them name, and write formulas with them. So you guys have already seen the lesson. So let's do a couple practice questions and hopefully you guys figure out and learn what a hydrated compound is. So let's start with magnesium sulfate nonahydrate. So first of all, you're able to recognize that it's a hydrated compound if you have hydrate in it. Hydrate, hydro means H2O, which means water. And that's what a hydrated compound is. So before anything, you need to figure out if it's a ionic compound or a molecular compound. Here, you always know it's a ionic compound if it's got a metal and a non-metal. So magnesium, if you guys remember the previous lesson, you always need to find what the symbols for the elements are. So magnesium is Mg, and it has a charge of 2 plus. So you write 2 plus on top. Sulfate is sulfur. Sulfur is S, and it has a charge of 1 negative. You do the crossover rule with my beautiful arrows, and then you have Mg1 negative. So you have to you eliminate the ones, you eliminate the negatives. S2, and that is my compound. And now I need to add the water, the hydrate part. You always add it with a dot. It demonstrates that it's attached to the molecule. You look at the prefix, nona. Nona, and if you don't know your prefixes, well, you can look in your notes. Nona means 9. And so you would put 9, and that is the prefix. 9, hydrate, and hydrate, you just do H2O. H2O. All right. And if we look at LiCl2, H2O, and yeah, you got to put it solid because it's a compound. It's a ionic compound, so it's found in solid form. So now let's transform it from the formula to the chemical name. LiCl. So Li is lithium. You write it in full. Lithium. Lithium is found in the first group. Oh, that's not an M. Lithium chlorine, and then you change the "ine" to "ide." You change the end of the second or the non-metal. So lithium chloride, and then change the ending. And then you finish with, you need a prefix. So we only have 2 molecules of water. So 2 is represented by di or bi, and it's dihydrate. Dihydrate. So lithium chloride dihydrate. And my writing is absolutely horrendous. Okay, hopefully you get this, and now you could try a few practice questions in your workbook.